Right, when working with bounds, the easiest way of answering the question or thinking it through is just to do a quick number line, put the number that's been rounded in the middle, and try and figure out what the next one down is. Well, it's to the nearest 5, so the next one down is going to be 80. Now we could do the next one up, but it's asking for the lower bound, so we're only interested in the lowest possible values. Now, next thing is to work out what the cutoff point was. Why was it rounded to 85 and not 80? At what point did it need to be higher then? Well, the point at which it needs to be higher is halfway between the two, which is 82.5. So that's our lower bound for the 85. Then just repeat the process for the 160. So we've got 160 in the middle. And the next one down would have been 155. And then when we draw the line, well, it's going to be 157.5. Now, what many students would do is just look at the number. Well, the area is going to be 85 times 160, and that's what the area is going to be. But we know that the 85 could have been 82.5, and the 160 could have been 157.5. And that would give the lowest possible area. So if I get my calculator out, 82.5 times 157.5, and that gives me 12993.75. And it doesn't ask me to round it, so I'm just going to write down the exact number. Now be careful, with areas we're timesing them, so we want them both to be small, but if you were to divide them, sometimes you actually want the upper bound of one of the values, but for area you want them both to be as small as possible to give us the lower bound for the area.